Este es un mono aullador, como podemos escuchar. Tenemos ahí al mono aullador rojo, o red howler. Ese es uno de los machos alfas que se encuentran ahí. Está vocalizando, tratando de proteger su grupo, su familia, marcando su territorio. Considerado una de las especies de primates más ruidosos en nuestro planeta. Solo el sonido es capaz de llegar a kilómetros de distancia. Está ahí el macho alfa y sus crías en la parte de atrás, como pueden ver. Es interesante. Tiene una adaptación en su cuerpo, un hueso hyoide, en la cual es como una caja de resonancia que utilizan para producir este sonido súper alto. Tiene el color, la parte dorsal anaranjado. That's the alpha male. See, yeah, that one. That right in the middle. In the middle is the alpha male. As you can see, it's very like big. It has a long prehensile tail, and this guy is just watching from one side to the other side, and now it's scratching there. As you can see as well, and the throat it has something like a big bulging stuff there, right? That looks like a big throat. Look at the colors: orange back, and the rest of the forelegs are a bit like a red dark. This is the biggest monkey. This is scratching there. It's moving. It's moving. It's taking that bind like a road or like a way, like a highway. There we go. Look at that. This is the amazing sound. The red howler monkey. Now it's coming. It's coming from there. Look. That's the way how they mark the territory. Ah, look at that. The rest of the family. Yeah, there's two little ones. The young ones are probably there with mama there. It has a big throat. Look how it's hanging using this prehensile tail. There we go. Yeah, that's the howler monkey, one of the amazing species of primate.